ఓకే అండి. Right, look here. The last class, that is on Saturday, I thought I updated notes. Right, look here. After the class, I'll upload it anyway. 15 and 17. Let me go for today's class. After multiple inheritance models, so complete construction of class interface is available anyway. Right. This is the construction completed by Saturday. Anyway, for today's class, I thought of writing, what is that, Andy? Assignment I thought of writing, but assignment not available. First, I'll give the choice to you today. Then I'll write the solution by tomorrow. Meanwhile, let me complete the third component available to you. The third component available to you, that is abstract class. Make a side. Abstract classes in Java. Abstract classes in Java. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. Are known as abstract classes. Abstract classes are nothing but classes only, indirectly. Abstract classes will hold variables, abstract methods, concrete methods, blocks, constructors, and features. Abstract classes will hold variables, abstract methods, concrete methods, blocks, constructors, and features. And features. Abstract classes will hold variables, abstract methods, concrete methods, blocks, constructors, and features. Right, like this. Here variables are possible. You can have variables like classes. Classes have variables. Abstract class also will have variables. Abstract methods. Abstract classes can hold abstract methods. Concrete methods can hold concrete methods, can hold blocks, can hold constructors, can hold features. The programming components declared here are automatically default. Because class component is default, no? This is also default. Same like class only. Here also static, non-static. Static and non-static. Non-static. Here, non-static. Static and non-static. Static and non-static. Consider static and non-static. Non-static. Features are static and non-static. Like this. Now, abstract classes also cannot be instantiated. We cannot create object for abstract classes. Like your interfaces, we cannot create object for abstract classes. Make it next point. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Cannot be instantiated. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated, which means we cannot create object for abstract classes. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated, which means we cannot create object for abstract classes. Like interfaces, abstract classes also cannot be instantiated. That's the meaning. Here, when we are writing abstract methods in abstract classes, abstract keyword is mandatory. Make it. We must use abstract keyword. We must use abstract keyword to declare abstract. We must use abstract keyword to declare abstract methods. We must use abstract keyword to declare abstract methods in abstract classes. In abstract classes, we must use abstract keyword to declare abstract methods in abstract classes. In interface also abstract method is there, but abstract keyword is not mandatory. If you don't write abstract keyword also, abstract keyword will be taken automatically in interface. But here, we must write abstract keyword. That's the meaning of it. Then how, sir? Means whenever the object not there, that abstract class depends upon one class. The abstract class depends upon one class. I'll take one abstract class here. Always I'll take void m1 int x. This is one abstract method. I will take it for demo purpose. I'll take one abstract method. I will take it. I will take one concrete method m2 into y. I'll take one concrete method. Concrete, two methods. Now for this abstract class, object not there anyway. If we try to create object, error will come. So it has to depend upon one class. It has to depend upon one class. By terminology, you can call it as extension class, you can say, or you can say implemented class also. Implemented meaning is taking the method and constructing the body. Actually, that's the meaning of implemented. So the class is implementing methods, no? Means what? Taking the abstract method and writing the body. By terminology, you can say extended class, or you can say implemented class also, you can say. Class to class, what keyword will be there? Extends keyword will be there. Now, what is the duty of this extension class now? Sir, taking this M1 method. Taking this M1 method and writing. Void M1 of int x and writing the body. So you have to create object for child or parent. You have to create object for whom now? Child. Who is child now? E class OB equal to new E class. Still we are under inheritance chapter only. Until the inner class comes. Inner classes not entered. Until then, inheritance using classes, inheritance using interfaces, inheritance using abstract classes. So we have to create object for E class. It can access. Now, make it. These abstract classes are extended to classes, and the classes are known as extension classes. Extension classes, or you can say implemented classes, you can say. Extension classes, or you can say implemented classes, you can say. These abstract classes are extended to classes, and the classes are known as extension classes or implemented classes. These extension classes must construct body for abstract methods of abstract classes. These extension classes must construct body for abstract methods of abstract classes. That's the rule. Right. Now see there. Here followed by one diagram here and example. I took abstract class dot Java, extension class dot Java, demo abstract class dot Java. This is one main class. Right. I am writing the program. Now, I am taking Java project. Abstract class application package test maxes. Right click on test new. I am taking one abstract class, nothing but class only. A class I am taking. Here one abstract keyword is there. You can select one abstract class. Click finish. If not, you can type it abstract keyword. The classes which are declared with abstract keyword are known as abstract classes. Here I am taking public void m1 of int x, error will come. I took one abstract method, error is coming. Why error is coming means it is asking me to declare one abstract keyword. Remember, for interview, abstract keyword is mandatory in abstract classes. The method requires a body instead of a semicolon. The meaning, the method is by default taking as a concrete method and asking for the body. If you want to say abstract method, you must declare what now? Abstract keyword. It's a theory. This is abstract. Now, take one concrete for a demo purpose. Void m2 of int y. Now, system dot out dot print ln concrete now system dot out dot print ln the value y is equal to plus y. Now, if you try to create object for a class, error will come. Let me try that. Under test, I am taking one class. Before that, let me create object. Go to maccess class here, demo abstract class, public static void main, import test dot star. I am trying to create object for abstract class OB equal to new abstract class. Error. Cannot instantiate the type A class, means there is no object for abstract class. If you want to create object for abstract class, the abstract class must be extended to one extension class. Right click on test new one class, E class. extends from abstract class. Whenever extended from abstract class, it is asking the body for abstract method. The type E class must implement the inherited abstract method A class dot M1. Means it is asking implement means construct the body. Construct the body for M1. That's the meaning. Now here public void M1 of int x. Now system dot out dot print ln. This is one abstract method anyway. So abstract M1 of x. The value x is equal to plus x. The value x is equal to plus x. Here the information through this program is whenever we want to construct one abstract class, nothing but class only. Class declared with abstract keyword, we call it as abstract class. Advantage, abstract class can hold abstract method. That's advantage. If we try to create object for abstract class, no object for abstract class in Java, it gives error. So like your interface anyway. Then what you have to do now? The abstract class should be extended to one class. The class by terminology, you can call it as extension class, or you can say implemented class. Here implemented class meaning is the class taking abstract method from parent and writing the body. That's the meaning of implemented class. So it is a parent-child relation again. So you have to create object for child. Extension class, you have to create object. This is a theoretical information. So extension class OB equal to new extension class is a point. Now from here, OB dot M1, you can access. OB dot M2, you can access. So answer will come. All have understood this, everyone? Right. Okay. This is abstract class component. Now, interfaces are dominating when compared to abstract classes generally, because interfaces will hold abstract method, concrete methods. No need of abstract class, very less used when compared to interface. After showing this abstract class some information, here we paste that comparison diagram once again. The comparison diagram will be pasted, this one. This 3 comparison diagram is there, no? That one will be pasted. Already you're beheading class and interface. Today you have to behead abstract class also, you must behead. All of you clear about this statement? Right. Now, based on these 3 components, there are some 3 interview questions are available. Difference between class and interface, difference between class and abstract class, difference between interface and abstract class. 3 questions are available to you. Let me write the notes on these 3 questions. So what is the difference between class and interface? After this diagram, I am keeping 3 FAQ questions to you. What is the difference between class and interface? Right. Right. First difference to be highlighted is class can be instantiated. The first difference is class can be instantiated. Class can be instantiated, but interface interface cannot be instantiated. Class can be instantiated, means we can create object for class, but interface cannot be instantiated. We cannot create object for interface. Now, class will hold only concrete methods, but interface can hold both abstract methods and concrete methods. Class will hold only only concrete methods. Only concrete methods. But interface can hold both abstract methods and concrete methods. Class will hold only concrete methods, but interface can hold both abstract methods and concrete methods, both. Right. The programming components in classes are automatically default, but in interfaces automatically public. There also one difference only, no, right? Programming components in classes are automatically default, but in interfaces automatically public. Programming components in classes are automatically default, but in interfaces automatically public. Variables in classes are user choice. User choice means developer choice. You may take static, you may take final. If you don't want, you can take non-static, non-final. But in interfaces, variables are automatically static, automatically final. Variables in classes are user choice. User choice means which one you want, you can take that. Choice is there for you. But variables in interfaces are automatically static and final. Automatically static and final. Classes can hold blocks and constructors, but interface cannot hold blocks and constructors. Classes can hold blocks and constructors, but interfaces cannot hold blocks and constructors. These are the few important differences between your class and interface. Definite question. That question is definite. What is the difference between class and interface? Minimum they'll ask it. Because I shown in the diagrammatical form already. Already through diagram you're getting information. And even then I written one notes form to you. You have to read it. Before interview, the question is mandatory. Because only three components: variable, method, block, constructor. After that, only three components: class, interface, abstract class. From today, alphabets ended. Java alphabets ended. Abstract class came no already. Now, what is the difference between FAQ? What is the difference between class and abstract class. Class and abstract class. First major difference. Class can be instantiated. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Class can be instantiated, but abstract class cannot be instantiated. Class can be instantiated, but abstract class cannot be instantiated. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. That's the first difference. Remaining all will be same only. Abstract class and class. What is the other difference now? Class can hold only concrete methods, but abstract class can hold both concrete methods and abstract methods. Remaining all same only. Variable user choice, blocks are there, constructors are there, features. Remaining all will be same. Only two differences will be there. Here object is there, there object not there. Here, what is that? Only concrete methods. There, concrete methods plus abstract methods. Make a statement. Class will hold only concrete methods. Only concrete methods. But interfaces. Okay. But abstract classes can hold both abstract methods and concrete methods. Remaining all looks the same. Right. Now last one. What is the difference between interface and abstract class? Previous days they used to ask always class and interface. Nowadays they're asking always interface and abstract class. They're asking the reason interface also holding concrete methods. Abstract class already holding concrete methods. Interface holding abstract methods. And abstract class also holding abstract methods. Interface also object not there. Abstract class also object not there. Then what is the difference? They'll ask it. Okay, right. Major two differences from the diagram. The first one, the programming components in interface are public. The programming components in abstract class are default. That's the first difference. Second one, interface cannot hold blocks and constructors. Abstract class can hold blocks and constructors. Remaining all same only. That third one is there. Third one, here variables are static and final. Their variables are user choice. Three differences are there. Make it. Everybody should by heart the diagram. Okay, right. Everybody should by heart the diagram. After by hearting diagram, down three questions are there. Everybody should by heart the three questions. So based on them, the question is there. They'll ask what interface will hold, what class will hold. If not, interface can hold block or not. We can create object. Means if you prepare the diagram, that will be remembered by you anyway. Whatever the question they ask it, hope you can remember in it, say it. So if they ask differences, if you cannot remember all also, at least 2 or 3 you must say. Cannot remember all also, you can remember 2, 3 and say. Okay, right here. intraphase and abstract class. Make it. The programming components in interface are automatically public, but programming components in abstract classes are automatically default. The programming components in interfaces are automatically public, but programming components in abstract classes are automatically default. This is the first one. Okay, right. Second one is variables in interfaces. Variables in interfaces are automatically static and final, but in abstract classes, but variables in abstract classes are user choice. User choice. Interfaces cannot hold. Interfaces cannot hold blocks and constructors. Blocks and constructors, but abstract classes can hold blocks and constructors, can hold blocks and constructors. All of you understood this? Followed by diagram and so on. Okay, right. Now, single inheritance models. Total small diagrams we draw. How many models available in single inheritance? Single inheritance models. Single inheritance models. The popular model is generally class to class. The popular model is the link between class to class. So class to class, what link is available? What is the name of this link now? Extends. We call it as extends. Next popular link available is Interface to class. Interface to class. Interface to class. What keyword here now? Implements. Next popular one is abstract class to class. Abstract class to one class. Class. Abstract class to class. Extends, implements, extends. Class to class, no, we had extends. These three are popular models we use regularly in your applications generally. What drawing, write and keep it, because once you draw, remember it. This combination is popular combination you had. After that, interface to interface we had. Interface to interface. We had one. Interface to interface. Interface to interface we had. Interface to interface. Interface to interface, what keyword now? Extends keyword is there. Extends keyword. Now, abstract class to abstract class. Abstract class to abstract class. Sir, this also extends. Abstract class to abstract class. Sir, this also some extends me. Next, we had class to interface, rare combination. Class to interface. Class to abstract class. Sorry. Class correct only. Class to abstract class. So class to abstract class extends because both are same. Now class to interface separate, no? So here implements are extends are implements. So remember, this is not there. Class to interface not there. Who said implements? Remove that. Right? None of the above, no problem. Right. So remember that combination not there. Class to interface not there. But class to abstract class is there. Class to abstract class possible. Error will not come. Class to interface not there. Remember that model. Class to interface not available. Now, interface to abstract class. Intraphase to abstract class. Intraphase to abstract class. Interface to abstract class is implements. And abstract class to interface not there. Abstract class to interface not there. Abstract class to interface not there. This combination not available. All of you understood this, right? These are the combinations we had in single inheritance combinations. Total combinations given by your Java language. Another combination. First one is popular one anyway. Okay, right. See there. I'll scroll up once. See there. I'll scroll up. Java alphabets. How many are there now? 7. What are they? Variables, methods, blocks, constructors, classes, interfaces, and abstract classes. Today, you had idea on them. One diagram is there. Okay, right. Now, object-oriented programming features. In object-oriented programming feature, what is this one now? Inheritance, actually. Inheritance means, look here, the process of extracting features from one component to another component, class to class, or interface to class, or abstract class to class. That is one component or not now. Extracting means taking. Features means variable, method, and so on. So the process of extracting features from one component to another component is known as inheritance process. Just watch here. Don't write anything. I'm updating there. At last, I'll copy the text to you. Okay, right. The process of extracting the features from one class to, one component, not only class, no, interface and abstract class all there. So one component to another component is known as inheritance. Right. Now, how many types of inheritances? If anybody asked, you must say 5 types. What are they? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid. First, you have to say the names. Multiple inheritance available or not available. If somebody asked, you must say. Not available also issue not there, because our domain came almost 95, almost 20 years completed. What 20? Almost 22 to 27 years completed. No, already 22 plus 27 years completed almost. So multiple inheritance not there also. What happened using classes? So you need not worry. If anybody asked, Types of inheritances means you say 5 types. Okay, right. I am writing it here. Because at the ending, I must fill it and give it. Just I'm updating there what has been completed. At the ending, I'll copy the document. The total layout I'll copy. What alphabets you learned, what concepts you learned, what features you learned. Like this, we do a revision in the last. Anyway, just I'm updating. Types of inheritances. So we highlight 5 types to you. 1, single inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical. This hierarchical I'll show very clearly in the collection chapter. Because I'll build like this: collection, set, list, queue. I'll build it. From again set, hash set, linked hash set. Like this we build it. Under list, array list, linked list, vector. We build it. We build like a tree and come. Hierarchical I'll show. Very clearly I'll show hierarchical. But already I'm doing with the 2 programs I'm doing. One with greater value, smaller value. 2 classes I'm taking. But complete hierarchical you can see in collection framework. You can see. But hierarchical, you understood the diagram. It's coming down like this, no? That's called hierarchical pattern. Anyway, hierarchical inheritance you had. Wherever the more than one combination available, without your knowledge only they will come. More than one combination. You are calling it as what now? Hybrid inheritance, you can say. These names you have to highlight in the interview. For interview point of view, everybody should speak out on this 5. Okay, right. Now, according to real time, here I am writing down. Real time means, I said no. Interview different, passing exam different, working different. Your education also like this only will be there. You take myself. I am a math student. Of course, BTech, MTech, CSE different. Right? That maths gone, chemistry gone, physics gone. I cannot remember single formula also. My second language is Sanskrit. Why I took Sanskrit? Now, single alphabet also I don't know today. Second language I took Sanskrit on that day. Why I took I don't know. But today I am using which language now? Java language. I am survival since 20 years. I am in Java language. My daughter sings. My daughter asks any question also I cannot understand what she is asking. Because totally all virtual machine, this only will be there in the brain. Method area, heap area, Java stack area. What she is speaking, I don't know. Don't ask me, I'll say. If any program is there, bring it. I'll write one code and give it. Remaining all, I don't know. Nowadays, that central syllabus has many books. So what I'm trying to say here is, our learning knowledge different, applying different. Applying will be different. Sir, 16 years, I read something, I am working something. So many people will be there. 40% engineers, you can check it. 40% people, you can check it. They'll read something, they'll work somewhere. Here also, interview questions different. Interview programs different. Interview programs are star, 1, 1, 2, 1 to 1. Fibonacci series, since 20 years that program only. Fibonacci series, Armstrong number, reversing a number, matrix multiplication, bubble sorts. This only will be there. 1, 10, 12 program, you by heart that only will come. So clearing test easy. But no company will ask, tomorrow write one Armstrong number and come. Nobody will ask. So working will be different. When you go for workplace, inheritances are 2 types. Taking feature from one class at a time, or taking from more than one at a time. That's all. Practically. That's called applicative. Practically. When you are developing one project, practically, you are taking features from one component, or you are taking features from more than one component. That all will be there. So applicative area, 2 inheritances. Make it. in real time, if I don't write as in real time, inheritances are two types. Inheritances are two types. One is single inheritance. One is multiple inheritance. Single inheritance and multiple inheritance. All of you understood this one? Right. Okay. Now see there. Here one word is there, encapsulation. One word is there. Can you see this? Right. I'm not writing a notes. You have to wait it. In polymorphism chapter, I'll write a notes. Just I'm showing. Okay, right. Encapsulation. English meaning. Dictionary meaning of encapsulate is bind together. Binding together is encapsulate. It's the English meaning actually. According to your language, how you will do encapsulation, how you will bind together. That's the meaning. Because that option not available in the C language. In C language, they bind variables under structure. Yes or no? Na? Dissimilar variables under structure. They cannot bind variable and function together. That binding not there. Because that came as a feature for other languages. Encapsulate, English meaning bind together. According to your language, how you will bind together. So, according to my language, I will bind variable, method, block, constructors together into one component known as class. All of it. Now, class is what component now? Encapsulative component. Understood this point? Not only class, sir. I will take one interface. I'll bind variable, abstract method, concrete method, and so on. Even interface also encapsulation component. Even abstract class also encapsulation component. Encapsulation means bind together. But when you are speaking in the interview, we never speak interface. We never speak abstract class. We speak only class. Using class in Java, we perform encapsulation. Encapsulation means bind together. What you are binding? I will bind variable, method, block, constructors together as a single unit. That is known as a class. Understood this statement? This option not available in the C language. C language structure, union, bitfields, files, chapter over. They don't have the concept of binding variable and function together. They don't have encapsulation. Understood this point now? So today you reached up to some percent of encapsulation. Some percent only. Because next chapter is pending, no? Inner class. Where is this? Where this all notes came? I wrong copied, I think. Right. Now, down one inner class concept is available. Inner classes, the concept is available. Okay, right. Now, here, the statement. Encapsulation, I'm writing here. I'm not giving a notes, I'm writing, understand it. Sir, why you are not writing a notes means class, still, I'm going to add inner class. I'm going to add inner class. I'm going to add inner interface. I'm going to add inner abstract class. I'm going to add try block, catch block, finally block, throws. Means what? Still class construction not completed. But I'm not officially writing the notes. Just I'm educating you. Meanwhile, if anybody entered interview, he'll speak this no. Encapsulate means bind together. Write it. Don't write it. 1 minute. That's my word actually. The process of binding programming components into a single unit class is known as encapsulation process. At least theoretically you understood that. Means without your knowledge, you are traveling in object-oriented features, the theory. Okay, right. Abstraction, subtraction means what, sir? Abstraction means generally hiding, generally meaning of hiding. The best example I'll speak always. Take one SBI ATM card. I used to speak always. Take one SBI ATM card. Go to HDFC Bank, right? And swipe your card in HDFC ATM center. The cash will come out within few milliseconds. If you want 5,000 rupees, the cash will come out. What happened in the background, not shown to the user. That is the best example of abstraction. Understood this statement? Now, sir, I want to recharge my mobile phone. I had a phone pay with me. I opened the phone pay. I entered my mobile number there. It only automatically take the operator type. Suppose I selected Airtel mobile phone. I performed my recharge option. Automatically message will come, recharge successful. Internally, how they integrated with Airtel server, how my mobile phone has been recharged, not shown to you. That also abstraction only. Abstraction means the process in which non-essential things are hidden from the end user by showing essential things. Whatever you want, they will show to you. Whatever not needed by you, they will hide it. The process we call it as abstraction. Whenever we want to perform abstraction, we take the support of interfaces and abstract classes. These two components are abstraction components. Right? I'm writing like this. The process of hiding non-essential things, from the end user and showing only essential things, is known as abstraction process. The process of hiding non-essential things from the end user and showing only essential things is known as abstraction process. Using interfaces and abstract classes, we can perform abstraction process. So here under abstraction, we highlight interfaces and abstract classes. All of you understood this, right? Officially, I'm not writing notes to you. You have to wait it. So this is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance without knowledge, class and object. Now somewhere one unit will come, polymorphism. One unit will come. To polymorphism, we write the total notes once again, we copy it and show it. Why I shown now means at least the class component came to to educate you. You are directly or indirectly in features only. To educate that I reviewed. So students will think it, no features completed or not completed, they'll think it. Means knowingly, unknowingly, you are traveling under object-oriented features only. That's the meaning. Okay, right. These are the points, theoretical points. Okay. I am in the top. Okay. Here one inner class is there. No, this is a chapter. Okay, right now. So there, the definitions I updated there. Orally, I discussed with you. Official notes in polymorphism. You have to wait it. Polymorphism chapter will come. Now you are entering into inner classes to exception handle to polymorphism, conclusion of features, polymorphism coming out to collection. Understood now? Collection framework. After collection framework, 2 units, multi-thread files. And the last discussion about networking, there your course ends. We are nearer actually. Because of holidays, we are delayed by 12 to 13 sessions. We are delayed, right? I'm trying to compensate that, but all our normal things are coming. You'll get bored because I'm not dragging the class. I'm finished offing the content and I'm leaving. So one day I'll use your time. Don't worry. Any new concept came, I'll drag it. Inheritance, same flavor, no? P class, C class, P class, C class. If I drag it also, bore will come. It will affect it. So I'm taking a concept and moving forward. Okay, right. Yesterday's notes not available with you. At any cost, now I'll update and go home. Right? Okay. So the assignment, you write it and come. And tomorrow I must write the solution for that assignment, followed by one small concept known as a generalization. After that concept, we are entering into a new concept known as inner classes, the theory, right? Take a break for today. Thank you very much for today. Same class.
No, we'll check, we'll just check in from second class, then we'll again demo.
No problem.
And the check-in, first time the check-in is wrong, we'll follow the next step. We'll write the check-in, the next step is check-in.
While you are writing, scanner class you are writing in while loop. Must not write. Keep that scanner outside. Get answer. Different scanner syntax inside the while loop. Check it out. It will be inside of.